Hello and welcome to the Wino Farmer. In this video, an Auburn University professor and his interns are conducting a study at our farm to determine the effectiveness of using drone sprayers for blueberry crops. The reason we're interested in the drone is because we're knocking off fruit with a ground sprayer when we drive between the rows. We're hoping the drone can produce the same spray coverage without knocking the fruit off the bushes. Since there isn't any fruit on our bushes, the main goal for today is to determine if the drone can produce the same coverage as a ground blast sprayer. As you can see, it takes two people to unload and set up the drone. This is a concern for me because we have limited manpower on our farm. Maybe I can build a platform and move it with a front end loader. We want to keep this a one-person job if possible. This is the smallest drone they used in their demonstration.
It sends people. It doesn't like people around it.
They are only spraying water from the drone. They place water-sensitive paper in the top, middle, and bottom of the canopy of multiple plants in the field. This is how they're going to determine if the test has been successful.
That's the speed I like. I like that speed better. Yep. So we want to learn from settings.
This is the largest drone they used, and you can definitely tell the difference.
That's what it's going to take before.
This is the water-sensitive test strips that they placed in the canopy of the bushes. The two drones sprayed different rows in our field. Now it's time to collect the test strips and compare them to determine which of the drones is most effective for spraying blueberries. Stay tuned for the results. As you can see, the smaller T20P drone didn't penetrate the canopy of the bushes nearly as well as the T40 drone. This is with each drone spraying 10 gallons per acre and traveling at 8 feet per second. Let's take one more look at the T40 drone and see if we can determine why it was so much better. Notice how much the limbs are shaking on the bushes from the wind from the propellers. I'm hoping this won't knock off any of the blueberries during the harvest season, but we won't be able to try that out until next year. Overall, this has been a good test, and it's very promising. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to get back to you with some answers. I have other videos such as how to make deer jerky, how not to make summer sausage, as well as using a lane shark to prune your blueberry bushes. Thank you for watching.